My name is Rick Patton, and I'm the owner of Land Sea Welding in Hawaii on the Big Island. I discovered Sealcon through a forum that I belonged to for a number of years when I started building a small submarine, and they're called psubs.org. And so I'd post a question or they'd post questions, and the name Sealcon had come up in some different threads, discussions that we'd had. That's how I found out about Sealcon. I was looking for what's called a strain relief fitting that I can screw into an item that I've welded in the hull of the sub. And then the cable passes through their fitting, and then you tighten a gland and it tightens down around the cable. They were really helpful in grabbing the ball and running with it and helping me select the proper product. I would highly recommend Sealcon to a business colleague or anybody else that's looking for something like that because they were so helpful. In fact, the last salesperson that I dealt with went above and beyond